Alright, here I have Kentucky 777 railroad crossing in Langley, Kentucky. Here at the first signal, it has a safe train base. Here I have a CSX emergency information. The DOT number is 227-855E and milepost is CM08.83. The lights are all Western Color Haze top by 20-inch and 24-inch lights. They're incandescent. And the bell is a General Signals Type 2 electronic bell at this crossing. Their second signal is the same. It's Western Color Haze over here with Federal Signal. And over here is the relay case. But so yeah. With WRS junction boxes. The pathway over here leads to somewhere else. So there's no abandoned crossing here. So yeah, here I have Kentucky 77 railroad crossing here in Langley, Kentucky. Over and out.